Hi everyone, welcome to another game tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background using Foreground Select tool. Before we grab the tool, let's go to Layers, and from here let's make sure that we add our alpha channel. We click right on this and then add alpha channel. If you see this, it's grayed out, which means you already added your alpha channel, or it's already added in the picture. Alpha channel ensures that your selection will be deleted to transparency. Now let's quickly grab our tool from the Tools Foreground Select tool and make sure that our tool settings will be settled like this. So we select the feather edges, and radius can be around 7, 8, and this one we can arrange our brush size, and the color option will be selected, and then you select also matte and leaven. These are already default settings. Now I'm going to zoom in and then just make a selection, rough selection. Okay, so you don't need to be worry about being precise. All you need to just draw one rough framing, and later on I'm going to press enter. Our foreground color will go to dark blue, and while the foreground turns to light blue. Now I have the brush holding here, and this brush should be selected color white and black here, and I'm going to make a selection, and while I do this selection with my brush, I don't need to be precise about this, I don't need to worry about this, and then make sure that you do not pass these boundaries. So we just keep selecting. By the way, based on the area you are applying your brush, you might need a smaller brush, and you can change the size by using these corner brackets on your keyboard. So left one decreases, and while the right one increases. So we will decrease by the left corner and continue. After you finish your selections, let's click on the preview mask. It will give us a preview to our selections. If you are happy with that, we go to select. Now you see that our selection is done. It came out really good, and that was one of the reasons that we use this foreground select tool, because there are fine details, and you know, as you see, there are hair strands and a lot of details that it could be really hard to manage with other tools. As you see, our selection was done perfectly by Foreground Select tool. So those selection is not actually we want to remove. We have to invert this selection. We have to go select and invert, or Control I will be the shortcut. And now it inverted the selection, and all I need to press delete, and I can press the Control Shift and A to remove the selection, and also I can grab my eraser and delete this part as well. As you see, our fine details are all here, all the hair strands, most of the hair strands, let's say. Maybe we lost some of them, but actually the thing looks really good. Okay. Alright, if you want to change also background, first we go from undo history to find the foreground selection, and we are going to press Ctrl C to copy this selection and go to another background, Ctrl V to paste it right here. And when we paste our image, we will see that image is waiting to add it into background, or we can add this also to new layer. I want to handle them in separated layers. For that reason, I'm going to click on this. Now all I need to press Shift and S, and this kit will be resized. When we hold the Shift also from the handles, we can resize it without losing the quality of the image. Now, after you become happy with the size, you have to press enter. Now all I need to do is to select the background, and I'm going to crop the image. Firstly, I go to rectangle selection tool, and then I'm going to select this part, and then I'm going to go to image and crop to selection. Okay, so now our project is ready. We have remove the background and put our selection into another background. Alright, hopefully you enjoy the project. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.